Hey, this is Ryzen Tech. Today, we'll discuss how to fix blue screen problems. Make sure you click the subscribe button and enable notifications if this is your first time seeing my video. How to fix blue screen problems. If there is a problem that results in an unexpected shutdown or restart of your device, a blue screen error, also known as a stop error, may occur. Your device may display a blue screen with the notification that it needs to restart because of a problem. Notes, hexadecimal error codes like, and others may also appear on your screen. Step 1. When did you get the error? After an update was installed. Safe mode enables you to run diagnostic procedures while starting Windows in a minimal configuration with a constrained set of files and drivers. It is necessary to launch the Windows recovery environment before entering safe mode, WinRe. This is how. To switch off your device, hold down the power button for 10 seconds. To restart your device, press the power button one more time. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds to turn off your device when Windows first appears. Certain devices display the manufacturer's logo after restarting, for instance. To restart your device, press the power button one more time. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds after Windows has restarted to switch off your device. To restart your device, press the power button one more time. To enter WinRe, let your device fully restart. Now that you are in WinRe, follow these steps to take you to safe mode. Note, if you've encrypted your device, you'll need your BitLocker key to start in safe mode. On the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. A menu will appear after your device restarts. Choose option 5 or press F5 to enter safe mode with networking. Once your device is in safe mode, follow these steps to uninstall recent update in Control Panel. In the search box on the taskbar, type Control Panel, and then select Control Panel from the list of results. Select Uninstall a program under Programs. If you're using large/small icons view, select Uninstall a program under Programs and Features. To display the most recent updates, click View Installed Updates on the left side of the screen, followed by Installed On to sort the updates by installation date. To uninstall an update, simply right-click it and choose Yes when prompted. Note, some updates won't give you the option to uninstall. Select Restart Now to completely uninstall the update. Notes, if you need to exit safe mode, here's how. Press the Windows Logout key +R. In the Open box, type msconfig, and then select OK. Select the Boot tab. Under Boot Options, clear the Safe Boot checkbox. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button.